The last names in the Philippines were only given in 1800s. So there was a rule that, the Spaniards were having a hard time figuring out how to tax the people. They were given sidulas, so that ang taga barangay Apas dili sila kaikyas ngadto sa barangay Lahog kung di sila ganahan mobayad sa tax. So ang taga barangay Apas, ang tanan apelyido nila nagbigin og letter A or something nga adto niya magdala-dala siya siyang sidula, so that kung ikyas siya mo adto siya sa Lorega, there's no way, because your sidula says you belong to Barangay Apas. Your last name is recorded as coming from Barangay Apas. That's how they controlled. That was sort of, or you don't want to do the conscription because you're now forced to build roads, or you're now forced to fight the insurrectos. So one way to avoid that is because if you go around without the sidula, it's just like the quarantine. If you go around without your Q pass, you will get arrested. So that was sort of like the regulation before, and last names were very important to know who you are. So many of the last names were assigned, but in Cebu, for example, because I think we kind of like, there were a lot of Spanish people intermarrying, like just ordinary soldiers, whatever, like, but Spanish. So we got a lot of Spanish names, like Suarez, like Gutierrez, like in Dalaget, I have ancestors who are Suarez, Gutierrez, Rodriguez. Those are actual last names that would not fall under the assigned names, because it has to be same, like D, all D, like DDD, E, so it's sort of like part of the system, so you can't escape.
So that's where like these days we still say that if you're, for example, if you're a Suarez, there's like, oh, taga Talamban na sila, they're prominent there. So they're like, if you live in Lapu-Lapu, there's a certain family name, last name. So because that's something very new for me. Okay, so it's actually assigned geographically.
Yes, geographically, you're assigned.